We are excited to present the Shibaura Machine SCARA range, including THE, THL, THA, and THP models, each offering the perfect balance between speed, payload, and cost-effectiveness, all designed to meet the demands of modern industrial automation. Plus, they're compatible with the TS5000 controller, the base platform for Shibaura Machine's robot controllers. The THL series focuses on long-term life cycles, designed for general-duty applications. The THL offers a quick return on investment and high reliability. The THA series is the workhorse of the SCARA range, handling the heaviest duties with the largest payload and widest range of reach. This model is suited for millions of duty cycles with minimal maintenance. The THP range is designed for high-speed end-of-line packing. It features a large motor and a heavy-duty, zero-backlash harmonic drive gearbox. They can handle the most demanding applications effortlessly.